Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your birth date on TikTok. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the TikTok app. Once the TikTok app opens up on your screen, click on the profile option which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, on the top right corner you'll see a menu option which is the three-lined option. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the three-lined option, click on settings and privacy. Now for you to reset your birth date on TikTok, you'll have to scroll down and find the report a problem option. After the report a problem page opens up on your screen, find the account and profile option and click on it. Once the account and profile page opens up on your screen, find the editing profile option and click on it. Now after you click on the editing profile option, a menu will appear on that screen. On that menu, click on the other option. Now for you to change your birth date on TikTok, you will have to send a report to the TikTok support. After the report a problem page opens up on your screen, click on the need more help option. You will have to fill in the problem which is change my date of birth. Provide your details here which is any sort of identification which includes your date of birth and then click on report. After you click on report, TikTok will review the report that you sent to them and then change your date of birth. I hope this video helped you to change your date of birth on TikTok. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.